up, everybody? Welcome back to Jay's Car Channel. As a follow-up to the winter washing video, I wanted you guys to see how nicely the water beads up on the surface of this paint job. I ceramic coated the front clip of this vehicle, including these fenders and the front fascia and the hood, so you can see that water and dirt and other things are going to have a hard time sticking to this surface because it's just rolling off as it sits here. We had a rain last night, this morning, and the water is just rolling off. And so I'd recommend this to anybody who wants to keep their car nice. Ceramic coating is extremely easy. If you can wax a car, you can ceramic coat it. Depending on which coating you use, and I say that because there are some that are more involved processes, but the one I used was Seaquartz UK 3.0. Super simple, super easy to use. I didn't even polish this vehicle. I just did I did a wash, clay, and decontaminate using a 50-50 alcohol, isopropyl alcohol wipe down to remove any oils or any waxes or sealants off the surface before I applied the coating. So you just want to make sure that you do all the prep work first. And again, you can polish it. You know, this vehicle was brand new and hadn't gone through an automated wash, so it didn't have a lot of paint defects or swirls or anything. The paint was pretty close to perfect. Sure, you could polish it and brought out some more gloss, but for me, I didn't really care to go through that because I'm fine with the way it looks right now. And it still did even look better after I coated it. So, you know, the coating's going to give you added gloss, added protection, ease of maintenance, all those things. So I just wanted to show you guys this, and I never did a video on the actual coating application. I may do that in the future. I meant to do one, but I was in such a rush. I just decided to just go ahead and coat the vehicle because I was about to go on a road trip, and I wanted to make sure I got the front clip coated before I got going through a bunch of, love bug territory or something like that, and have to get all that stuff off the car. And sure enough, after I coated it and started driving, the bugs just came right off easily with rinseless wash. I mean, I used like a waterless wash to get them off, and super easy. I mean, you could just take your finger and just knock them off. So, if you don't coat the vehicle, you're going to have a harder time, getting things off of the paint. And that's really the main benefit to people is, just ease of maintenance. And it's a better, far superior protection to a Carnauba or wax. People always say, can you wax my car? And I say, well, I can, but for the same amount of effort, I could use a ceramic based spray coating, or I could actually go and coat the vehicle with a ceramic coating, which is going to cost a little bit more and take a little bit more time, but it's the benefits far outweigh the extra time spent. So what I'm going to do here, I'm going to actually take this hood and raise it and see if I can get these beads to come off here. This hood weighs about 1,000 pounds. And I'm gonna raise it up. See, the water just comes on out. And then see that? See how easily all the stuff just comes off? I mean, I still got some on here, but pretty cool, the amount of slickness and everything that this adds to your vehicle. So I'd recommend it, and just wanted to show you guys this little video just to kind of do a follow-up so you can see the reason I'm kind of following the processes I follow. So thanks for watching, and see you guys on the next one.